Okay, so welcome back. So sa video to, solve natin tong stored DOM XSS. So basahin natin. This lab demonstrates a stored DOM vulnerability in a blog comment functionality. Solve this lab, exploit this vulnerability to call the alert function. So very short, no? So punta tayo sa lab. Tignan natin. Alam natin yung blog functionalities nandito. So pasok tayo sa isang blog post. And may comment functionality dito. So, testingin natin, no? So, let's say 1234, 134, 134 at 1234.com and website is http 1234.com. So, post natin. Okay. Mukhang wala namang special. Mukha naman nandyan lahat. Tignan natin sa page source. So, kung mapapansin natin dito sa page source na to, kapag nag-scroll down tayo, makikita natin may script source ka dito na load comments with vulnerable escape html.js. So, tapos may script na load comments na post comment. So, visit natin tong JavaScript file. Tignan natin kung anong laman. So, kung babasahin natin dito, escape HTML. This is very interesting for us kasi ang ginagawa niya daw is re-replace niya yung less than with HTML entities, then re-replace niya yung greater than with HTML entities. Okay? So, ang masama dito is re-replace lang nito yung first occurrence nung less than and greater than symbols. So, ang pwede natin gawin is maglagay tayo ng less than and greater than, at saka tayo magbukas ng image source equals x on error equals alert. Okay? Then, sa name, lagay natin same payload. Sa email, 123 at 123.com. And sa website, http123.com. So, post comment. And, ayan. And let's go back to blog. And, ayan, nag-trigger na yung ating XSS. So, at nasolve na yung lab. No? So, tignan natin kung ano yung tsura nito. Buksan natin yung DOM. And puntahan natin tong part na to. So kung makikita nyo, ayan, ito yung ating less than and greater than symbols. So yung less than and greater than symbols natin, pag tinignan natin, naging HTML entities. Pero yun nga, since yung first na less than and greater than lang yun na encode, yung image source X on error alert natin dito is na-trigger. Okay? So I hope na-gets nyo tong video na to and see you in the next video.